Hello and welcome to Meshinga Misha Country Club here in Marion, Indiana. My name is Austin Conroy and this is my nature observation project. I chose this country club because I'm on the Indiana Wesleyan golf team, so I took 15 minutes out of my practice time each day to enjoy nature. Our golf courses are some of the most spectacular and breathtaking places on earth. So I'm going to hit my golf ball. I'm going to show you a few places that it landed in the last few days. Let's tee off.